Hello everyone, this is Tyler Krompiatek from Coley at Canisius. In this video we will go over how to access the history of an intelligent agent. This can be useful to see if the agent is running correctly or to see when it was run last and who triggered it.
It's also a useful way to see if any actions were taken by the agent.
To get started, go to Edit Course, find and click on Intelligent Agents in the Communications section. From there, find the agent that you want to find the history of. Click on the drop-down caret to the right of it. Then, in the drop-down menu, click on View History. You should see a table with the full history of the agent. This table should include the date of the run, the result of the run, which is also basically who triggered it, whether or not the run was a practice run, a manual run, or a scheduled run, and who ran it. Clicking on the user's identified link in the result column will give you more information. This will give you the user's name and whether or not an action was taken. If the agent sent an email, the action taken column will include a hyperlink to an archive summary of the email it sent. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.